Huawei has just launched the world's first tri-fold smartphone in the Mate X-T, with the device arriving in China for a cost of just under $3,000. Huawei Mate X-T is almost as thick as Galaxy Z Fold 6 and has two folding hinges. On paper, the Mate X-T is 12.8mm thick, while the Fold 6 is 12.1mm thick, so on paper Samsung wins this war. The Huawei Mate X-T takes foldable displays to a new level by adding an extra fold. The phone has a 10.2-inch screen, the first ever and largest foldable screen in a smartphone. You can use it as a 7.9-inch and 6.4-inch screen phone. Triple screen, 3.6mm thickness, and the device weighs only 238 grams. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 features a 7.6-inch foldable AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and has 2600 nits of peak brightness. It is having a 6.3-inch AMOLED cover display with 120Hz refresh rate. It has 1600 nits of peak brightness. It is 5.6mm thickness and it weighs 226 grams. Huawei Mate X-T powered by Kirin 9010 chip with 16GB of RAM and 1TB storage. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip with 12GB RAM and 1TB storage. Huawei Mate X-T come a 50MP main camera, 12MP ultra wide-angle camera, and a 12MP periscope telephoto camera with 5.5x optical zoom. There's also an 8MP front-facing camera, Galaxy Z Fold 6 a 50MP main camera, 12MP ultra wide-angle camera, and a 10MP periscope telephoto camera, and a 10MP front-facing camera. Huawei Mate X-T power by 5600 mAh capacity with a 66W wired charger and 50W wireless charging support. Galaxy Z Fold 6 runs on a 4400 mAh battery with 25W fast charging support, 15W wireless charging support. Well, on paper, the Huawei Mate X-T looks way better than the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. It has a better camera, display, and battery. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.